judge on Tuesday dismissed a hate crime charge against a white man who stabbed a black college student to death at a bus stop on the University of Maryland's campus. A jury trial will continue on Wednesday for Sean Urbanski, age 24, on a murder charge in the May 2017 killing of Richard Collins III. Prince George's County Circuit Court Judge Lawrence Hill Jr. granted a defense motion to acquit Urbanski of the hate crime, which carries a maximum sentence of 20 years in prison. Here to give us more insight on this story is Onyx News contributor Dr. U.A. Thompson. Dr. Thompson, they're seeking a sentence of life without the possibility of parole if Urbanski is convicted of first-degree murder. But can you paint the picture of what happened here?
Well, Nietzsche, this is a troubling story because the judge dismissed this hate crime charge against this young man, citing that the prosecution had not provided the burden of proof in that instant for the charge. What's troubling about this is if this crime was not racially motivated and falls under the category of being a hate crime, then I don't know what is. We continue to dismiss the racial issues we have in this country and ignore them as if they don't exist, when in essence they are inexistent, and it is happening on a daily basis in pockets and segments of society that people would not even imagine. I'm troubled by this because this young man had on his phone saved several racial images and memes. He also liked a hate group. So I'm very troubled, but I am proud that the prosecution is pressing forward with making this man pay for taking the life of this young black student for no reason other than hate. He wasn't drunk, as they're alleging. I think he knew perfect well what he was doing.
Last week, during the opening statement, the state's attorney, Jason Abbott, said a toxic mixture of alcohol and racist propaganda is what caused Urbanski to act on his hatred of black people. Like you said, he had saved at least 6 photographs of racist memes in his cell phone. And, this is very interesting here. His blood alcohol limit was 3 times the legal limit at the time of the killing, which was obviously making him too drunk. What they're saying was making him too drunk to premeditate any type of issue. What's your thoughts there?
Well, I grew up hearing that a drunk mind leads to a sober mouth. It uncovers and reveals what's truly inside. It exposes the truth. And I think the intoxication level that this young man had within him only intensified the hate and the racist intentions that were already imminent in his heart. And I just don't buy it that he was so drunk that he could not discern from executing this type of killing of this college student. It's just very troubling to me, and I'm very disappointed that the judge dismissed the hate crime because
Dr. Thompson,
we have
I'm
to
sorry
send
to
a
interrupt
message.
you. We're
Yes.
running out of time here. Always a great
Okay.
conversation with you. Thank you so much for joining us today.
Absolutely, Nietzsche. Thank you.